Welcome back to Decorating with Kelly. In my timeless versus trendy video, I talked about ways how you can customize and create timeless spaces all your own. Today I am going to be sharing with you some accent chairs, from neutral to colorful, classic to ornate, ones that you can incorporate into your rooms and create a more personalized and fun space. And don't forget to let me know in the comments what your favorite chairs are. So without further ado, let's get started. When creating a timeless interior, it's important to add interesting elements that are a representation of who you are. Accent chairs are a great place to start. A fabulous accent chair doesn't need to be colorful and flashy. If neutral interiors are your thing, then choosing pieces with interesting lines and textures is the way to go. And the following are some great examples. In the world of interior design, accent chairs reign supreme for multiple reasons, the least of which is that they provide the much-needed extra seating we're all looking for. Beyond that, accent chairs are a way to break free from all the decor rules we tend to adhere to, allowing us to have a little fun in our spaces. Accent chairs are a great opportunity to add design interest to a room through their shape, color, and texture. Whether it's just one accent chair or a couple, you can branch out from your comfort zone that applies to larger pieces like sofas. They help fill a space that appears empty or awkward while being versatile enough because they can be moved around easily as needed. If you're looking to achieve a particular aesthetic, accent chairs can move you in that direction without making the commitment of a larger central piece like a sofa. Next up is figuring out which accent chair is best for your space, and unsurprisingly, size matters most. The first step is to make sure that the scale of the chair works. If you have a floor plan showing everything drawn to scale, that's great, but if you don't, perhaps tape out the size of the chair on your floor to ensure that it isn't too large or too small for the space, and then ascertain how its size fits with your other pieces. You want to enter the space and not be distracted by the wrong size chair. And don't forget about proportion. You want to make sure that the chair is complementary to the space itself and the other furniture in the room. For example, don't force a huge lounge chair next to a tiny drinks table in a small studio apartment. Once you've landed on the best size for your chair, it's time to home in on material, shape, and color. Just like any selection in your design scheme, the accent chair should complement the style and color of the room while maintaining its own character or identity. I like to compare a design scheme to a group of friends. Everyone has their own role and their own personality, but there's a sense of unity and harmony within the whole. An accent chair might be a more bold focal point in the space, but it should still feel unified with the other design aspects. Lest we forget, we also have to keep comfort in mind. That's right, we're going to actually want to sit and maybe even relax a little in this chair. Bottom line is that there aren't any rules when it comes to finding the perfect accent chair. And given its supporting role in your design scheme and its relatively diminutive size, it's a safe place to take a risk. Juxtaposition is what makes rooms interesting. So play up the differences when it comes to materials. Mix different wood tones, metal finishes, and upholstery colors. The following are some designer favorites. The swivel chair from West Elm. A bestseller, this chair oozes comfort with its wide and low slung seat. I love how this chair is both on trend and suitable for many design styles, from modern eclectic to mid-century to glam. It comes in an array of great fabrics, making it super easy to tie in with an existing color palette. the royal blue Wayfair chair. Ultra wide and boasting a retro design, this chair is sure to be a standout wherever it lands in your home. Mid-century accent chairs are timeless, with beautifully structured silhouettes, rich tones, tufting, and rolled pillows. I love the casual, beachy vibe of the Georgica lounge chair from Serena and Lily. It's perfect for adding some warmth and texture to a room grouping that perhaps has a lot of fabric textures going on. While I love the luxury that comes with this option, a look-alike is available at Target for a fraction of the price. Perfect for anyone looking to score this look on a bargain. Now that you are armed with this information, you can go out and find the chair of your dreams.